Are you looking for an alternative to beard butter? You don't like beard butter, you don't have beard butter, but you want to find something that has a similar impact as a nourishing nighttime routine? Well, don't worry guys. My name is DanCBearded. My subscribers call me the trusted teacher for all things beard related, and I have a trick that almost every single bearded man has all of the tools for to having a similar impact to beard butter at night. So please, yes you, you're going to be able to try this right now when I get done with this video if you have not already. Stay tuned, and then I'm going to break it down for you to get an alternative to beard butter. You're going to need two things for this nighttime butter hack or an alternative for that. The first thing you're going to need is a medium consistency balm. I do not think this works with a firm balm, and I also do not think it works with a really light balm. So my balm of choice tonight for a medium, creamy, smooth consistency is going to be the Citrus Tonic Balm. Now they're the perfect example because they have that classification system where they have a balm and a wax. Their balm is perfectly medium there. Second thing you're going to need is a beard oil. I prefer a light beard oil for this. I don't think it works that well with ones that are heavy in castor oil. And I'm going to keep it as a purist. You guys know how I am. I'm going with the Citrus Tonic beard oil from 7 Potions as well. So this is a pretty simple idea. I actually heard about it from a couple different people and companies. Jeff at Bad Dog Beard Co. was one of them. So I figured I would bring it to the masses and see how you guys like it. So the first thing you want to get is your desired amount of beard balm. For me, it's going to be about the amount of my index finger. So I want to show it here so you guys can see how much that's going to be. It's not a crazy amount there. I'm going to place that in my palm. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple drops of that beard oil and I'm going to place it right over the top of this balm. Very simple concept, and it's going to help it emulsify in together. And you're going to work it through. 1, 2, 3, and then I'll go 4 for tonight. My beard was feeling a little bit dry today, so I want to give a little bit extra nourishment. It's not going to hydrate your beard, but it will nourish it. So now that I have that oil on there and the balm, I'm going to take it and I'm going to work that in together. This is going to give you a butter-like consistency, and it's going to be really unique and nice. You don't just have that balm, but you also do not just have the oil. It's going to work in there together, and it's going to give you a feeling just like beard butter. Now for me, I still use and love beard butter, but this is a hack for guys that don't want to order that extra product, that have beard balm at their house, that have beard oil at their house, and it really does well here. So, question to leave you guys with as I'm working in this beard concoction, this beard hack here. Have you guys ever tried this method? What are your thoughts on it? Do you enjoy beard butter at night? Do you use something different for your nourishment at night? My advice is go with beard butter or give this a shot. Get a nice scoop of some medium consistency beard balm, hit it with a couple drops of beard oil over the top, work it in there, and then get that impact for that nighttime nourishment. It's a really amazing feeling. I really think you guys need to get a nighttime routine to get the full benefits, the full health, and the full morning styling out of that beard of yours. So thank you guys for watching today, this little hack using some 7 Potions products, some beard community knowledge, and I think it's going to help somebody out there that didn't know this before. So you guys, stay bearded, and as always, stay positive.